Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Benefron. I'm a registered dietitian with the Kroger family of companies, and today we're going to be talking about National Heart Health Month. Our heart pushes millions of gallons of blood all throughout our body, packed full of oxygen, hormones, fuel, and essential cells. This is a never-ending workload that brings our whole body to life. One of the simplest ways we can improve our heart health is through diet. You can reduce your risk for developing heart disease or help fight it off by consuming foods such as whole grains, fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Starting your day off with Kroger's steel-cut oats is not only going to provide you with long-lasting energy, but vitamins, minerals, and fiber, specifically beta-glucans. Beta-glucans are a type of soluble fiber that can help lower your LDL or bad cholesterol. For those of you who are trying to feed the whole family, this is the perfect go-to recipe. Now don't be fooled by the size. Chia seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. In just one serving, they contain 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and 5 grams of omega-3. Now walnuts are another powerhouse of nutrition, loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So let's look to the lighter side for lunch. Good nutrition and great flavors combined in this grain salad. Red quinoa is packed full of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. No wonder it's one of the world's most popular health foods. In this salad, we have spinach, edamame, cauliflower, almonds, and dried cranberries. And we have that paired along with our antioxidant-rich dressing containing olive oil, mustard, and cranberries. Now, if you want to be prepared for the whole week, this is a great recipe to meal prep in advance, as we have done so in our little containers. So let's talk dinner and finishing the day strong with tacos. These fish tacos with a creamy cilantro slaw are a perfect way to get that heart-healthy fish into your diet. Fish contains unsaturated fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of unsaturated fatty acids that may help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, help with lowering blood pressure, reduce blood clotting, and improve an individual's risk against heart disease and heart failure. So for these fish tacos, specifically the slaw, I've made a few modifications. I've used Mrs. Dash seasoning. I love using Mrs. Dash seasoning because it's salt-free. This is extremely important because excess sodium can increase blood pressure. Other modifications include using olive oil mayo instead of regular mayonnaise, and I've used a Greek non-fat yogurt instead of sour cream. These items have also increased the protein in this meal, and it's a great heart-healthy way to end your day. Thank you for spending time with us today. We've had fun talking about eating heart healthy. Check back for more tips from our Wellness Your Way experts.